Hello MUS 2020 students. This is the single most important video, so pay attention. We're going to go over saving, uploading, and turning stuff in for the class. To save, go to the File menu, and then Collect All and Save. Next, make sure that the first three options, files from elsewhere, files from other projects, and files from user library, are set to yes. Then hit OK. If you don't do this correctly, you will get emails from me or other students complaining about missing files. This is the single most common cause for lost points on assignments. If you're missing files, especially on comp projects, your grade will go down. If you have not saved already, the Save dialog will open and ask where you want to save the project. I recommend anywhere you can find it easily, like the desktop, or you can move it later. Give it a name, something standard, like last name, week, and week number, and hit Save. This will create a project folder at that location with your project file, and more importantly, all of your samples will be in there. Again, if your samples or other files are missing, your grade will take a hit. Let's see if it's saved. Okay, here it is. This is the project that I'm going to turn in. I can tell that it's a project because it has the name of the session and it says project. This is the folder that I have to turn in. If I open it up, I can see Ableton project info, backup. If I had samples, they would be in the sample directory, but I don't. I'm only using MIDI. And I see my Ableton live set file. This entire project folder has to be imported into Google Drive and shared with me and the rest of the class. Let's look at how to do that. If I sign into my Oakland University email, I can click on the Applications button and go to Drive. Which occasionally takes a second or two to load. Okay. The easiest way to do this is to navigate to the project folder and drag the entire thing into Google Drive. Or, if for whatever reason my computer doesn't accept that, I can hit New, Folder Upload, and then navigate to the actual folder. And then hit Upload. As you can see, it says this will upload all files from that project. Only do this if you trust this site. I do. Now, I'm lucky in that I have a really good internet connection right now, and that didn't take very long. Occasionally, this can take upwards of 20 to 30 minutes. So I do recommend that you don't wait until the last minute before projects are due before you upload them. Give yourself at least an hour of spare time. But I haven't shared this yet. Now what I have to do is find my new folder, right-click on it, and select Get Shareable Link. As you can see, link sharing is currently turned off, and it says the file and the folder are private and not shared. I need to turn that to on, and it says anyone at Oakland University with this link can now view. This is for anyone with the oakland.edu email account. This must be turned on. Now I can select the link, which will automatically highlight the entire folder link, right-click on that, or just hit Control-C or Command-C if I'm on a Mac. This gives me a link that I can paste, and it will take me directly to that folder. That is what you have to copy and submit into Moodle. It has to be a link to the entire project folder, and your project folder has to have everything done using the collect all and save method. When in doubt, test the link on another computer before submitting. Again, this is the place where most students lost points because they did not use collect all and save and uploaded a project that either is not the entire folder or that is missing samples. This is especially important in the second module when you will have to record your own samples. And if they're not there, your grade will take a hit.